we are live and I'm going over the video recap already for tomorrow, the prep. So early on in the morning, let me get rid of these profiles right now. So early in the morning, we got some pretty nice trades today, guys. We did already for the week about 57 points. Everything you see right here is done live in front of you on our live Screenshare 8 hours a day. Just today alone, we did about 23 points, plus 23 points. We did have some losses included for the week. Not bad, not doing bad at all, about 57 points for the week. And we're gonna do a prep for tomorrow to see what to expect tomorrow morning. Early on, we mentioned about the overnight high being a very good reference point, and for us to look to correct this poor high. The first action was going to be to counter trend it, and the second action was going to be to reverse it and repair it. Well, since we have this reference, I said early on around 9 in the morning that the biggest problem with this all-time high being on the overnight was July 11 issue, and here the issue was my July 11th reference and July 12th. July 11 we printed an all-time high coming from oops, that's not July 11, excuse me. Here is July 11 and here is July 12 and here is July 15. So, July 15, that's the one that I'm referring to, I'm sorry. So July 14, this was a Sunday, we printed a new all-time high that day at 3,023.50. We were coming from a poor high, and you know, the market has memories, and I mentioned that this early in the morning today, and what the market did the moment we opened Monday, the market sell off and then just did a balancing day. From there forward, from Monday the 15th, pretty much you can see the picture of what happened. I don't need to tell you, but from that Monday the 15th, here is Tuesday and here is Wednesday, and we sold off from that overnight all-time high. Apparently today, that was the mechanics for today, right? The mechanics for today were to look at that point of reference, use it in our favor, and we did. We did really capture some pretty nice, amazing points. We were able to do 7 points on that drop, almost 10 points in about 7 minutes, and in less than 10 minutes, excuse me, we were up already almost 14 points. The rest of the day was kind of slow, but still we got pretty good, decent trades today. We got about 5 points on one of our trades. Some of the trades were about for 3 points, 3 points. We have some losses. Right in the room, you can see the losses that I'm taking and why, and the reason why they are so small is for us to really learn the mechanics of the market. So for tomorrow, I'm not gonna go into detail as to what happened in the markets because you already saw it live. But for tomorrow, what I'm looking for is our value, and value right now overlap to lower. And I mentioned about 10 or 11 in the morning how the value was sitting right here, the value area high. Look at what happened now. Look where the value is coming for tomorrow. We have overlapping value going lower for tomorrow, Friday. Now Friday, the theme for Friday has been to ramp up the market, right? Close it higher. And they are defending this 3,000 level all this afternoon. Currently we're at 3,008.25. And I've been making a reference on my last videos from the past week about the 3009 being a big resistance. And this afternoon, you can see clearly how multiple times after the buyers were not found at the top, once we got to this area between 10 and 950, we've been having a hard time getting through it, right? So again, that's the same reference that I keep mentioning on my videos about the sell-off that happened on the 17th. When we start actually the pullback, it was not a sell-off, it was just a pullback, a correction to inventory. But it's good to notice those reference because now you know where you're heading. You have 95, which we have a very prominent point of control at 95. We have another point of control at 86. And these are coming from Monday, Tuesday. The one from yesterday, we kind of repaired it today. We were all over the place. We're actually closing at the point of control from yesterday. Point of control from Wednesday was 0875, and that's exactly where we are. It's important that they defended and how these sellers were shut off completely at 98 this morning or this afternoon during the G period. The reference that I want to make on that is the fact that on Tuesday, the sellers, they tried to get control of the market the whole day. And what happened on I period, buyers took over, and from that moment on, the market started ramping up higher. And that's how we got from this ramp up from 29.98 all the way to 3,027 overnight high. Overnight all-time high that we did last night. So for tomorrow, very important reference will be how do we react at the open. I think half of the day, this looks like it was going to be an inside day, but it was not. I mean, we broke through it, about 3 ticks of excess from the previous day. Now we have excess at the bottom and we have some excess at the top on this profile. We left around 6 ticks right here, and we left about, let me see, yeah, about 4 or 5 right here at the bottom. So we have some excess there. Profile structure doesn't look that great. We have some anomalies right here. About 4 TPOs sitting at 3010. So having said that, tomorrow morning it's important to know where do we open. Are we gonna open inside range, inside balance? If we do that, we're probably gonna be chop early in the morning. If not, we can have a nice trending day. Remember, they have defend 2 things. The buyers are defending 97, and then the sellers now are defending their 3009. So we have buyers being stuck right here, and we have the sellers waiting for us at 3009. I hope you guys understand that, and I'm gonna leave you with that. It's about 7 minutes long. That's all I got for you guys. Make sure you have the reference in place for tomorrow. Over previous day halfback, which is going to be today, for tomorrow is right at 08. We are about to settle right there at 08. We do have a point, excuse me, prominent point of control. I think it's 10. 9 TPOs for today is going to be at 3007. I'm going to mark that right now. And from there, the references will be to really see where we're going to open. Are we going to open inside value or outside value? Are we going to open on the top of the range and see if we can find acceptance and move back to all-time high during the regular trading hours, not during the overnight. So I have this as a reference right now, my 3027. That was the overnight high for today, and it was an overnight all-time high. Okay, so that's all I got. 8.5 minutes, really quick. Hope you guys really follow me on Twitter or come to our room. I'm gonna leave you with this right now. We're having a very nice trades lately, and it has been great. Market's been giving us, and we're taking trades live. We're calling them live as they go. So come and join us and check us out. All right, I'll leave you guys with that. Good night, and take care, everybody.